Hello everyone and welcome to ROKStudios. I'm Stan Miller. I'm the PR and Analyst Relations Manager for Rockwell Automation in the EMEA region. And I'm here with Susan Schaubhut. She is the Strategic Account Manager for Softing. Susan, welcome to the studio.
Thanks, Stan. I'm really happy to be here. Thanks for having me.
Absolutely. So Susan, we're here to talk about connectivity, and specifically connectivity as a form of currency. But before we get into that theme, could you just give us a little bit of background about what softing is?
Softing is really good at building digital bridges. We're really good at getting connected, helping you get connected and stay connected. So if you have a project where you need to push data from one place to another, Softing is the company to do it.
Okay. Well, let's talk about connectivity. Why is connectivity so important to modern manufacturers, and how can they effectively connect OT and IT?
With existing plant floors, a lot of your data is still just in the OT, just at the operational level. And slowly, everybody wants it and needs it in the IT level. So the question is, how do you do that? You don't want to rip out your existing manufacturing, your existing plant floor in order to do this, but you need a way to push that data to where it should be. And Softing's really good at that. We work with different protocols and different devices in order to get your data out of those manufacturing level and push it into the OT level.
How does this help generate actionable data?
Stan, it's all about cost saving. You know, if I'm able to read out my stuff from a computer, it's a lot easier than having 10 engineers on the plant floor reading out different measurements. And also, when I need to change a recipe, when I have my manufacturing in a certain way and I need to change it a little bit, it's a lot easier to change it at the IT level instead of the OT level. Because with a couple clicks, you're done and you're ready to go, and your production can very quickly move forward.
Where does this connectivity fit when we talk about the cloud?
Stan, everybody wants to be in the cloud. And I think that's the interesting thing moving forward. Hey, how can I best have IT and OT converge, and how can I best have the data where it needs to be? You know, when we talk about the cloud, we talk about cost saving, total cost of energy, total cost of operations, how the best way to really run your plant floor. And I think moving forward, it's going to be more and more technologies of getting the data that is needed in order to ensure that there's no shutdowns, to ensure that, hey, if a product fails, which one it is. And I think moving forward, it's how everything's going to be.
What about legacy or existing solutions? Can these be connected to new solutions?
Yeah, and as I've already mentioned, this is one huge advantage of the technology, of how this technology is improving today, is years ago you couldn't connect things very easily, and now we're talking about a lot of different topics these days, including something 5G. You know, when we talk about 5G, we talk about 5G in our cell phones, but you can also have 5G in manufacturing. How to best get that data as quickly as possible, as you already mentioned, to the cloud.
Got it. So Rockwell Automation and Softing, we collaborate to help companies get connected. How do you see us working in the future to keep those companies connected?
Stan, it's all about communication. It's all about collaboration. And I think that's what's really interesting about Rockwell and Softing. We've been partners with you guys for over 30 years. And we've collaborated on a lot of different projects. And Softing is happy to continue that collaboration and continue being a strong partner of Rockwell in order to ensure that customers, distributors, system integrators really get the best out of Rockwell and the best out of Softing.
Susan, thank you for visiting us in the studio today. It's been a pleasure.
And thank you for having me, Stan.
And thank you for watching. If you'd like to learn more about how Rockwell Automation and Softing collaborate, visit www.rockwellautomation.com.